Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have an expertise in marketing so you can build brands, generate revenue, create customer loyalty, and run really impactful campaigns? Whether you're new in your marketing role, looking to pivot your career focus, or gain a few extra skills to grow your business, this course is the perfect place to learn how to drive results from digital marketing. I'm passionate about helping companies grow and marketers learn from all things digital and the immense impact it has. It's both art and science, both visionary and detail oriented. I'll help you increase your marketing impact throughout this course. Hi, I'm Kelli Schutrop. I'm a sales and marketing leader, and for nearly 15 years, I've focused on creating strong results for companies through digital marketing strategies. I've worked at agencies, led in-house teams, and consulted business leaders all across North America and beyond. During this course, I'll walk you through the fundamentals of digital marketing and share how to align your marketing strategies to your business goals. I'll show you how to identify your ideal audience and determine which marketing tools to use. I'll also dive deep into building brand credibility, establishing online visibility, driving lead generation, providing customer nurturing, and even how to analyze, test, and refine your marketing endeavors. The world of digital marketing has been growing and evolving rapidly, and it is not slowing down anytime soon. Buckle up, we're going to cover a lot of ground, and by the end of this course, you'll have a strong grasp on the many focuses of digital marketing. I'm excited to see what you learn. So are you ready? Let's get started.